Philippine Airlines welcomes you on board.
The food was great as always. Alam mo yung panlasang Pilipino talaga siya. Carmen's best, alam mo pagpal. And guys, ito na yung door. Pak, mga kababawang ko in flight. This is our first A350-1000 in Southeast Asia. Daddy, ito dapat yung sasakyan natin. Okay guys, so today is the day because we're gonna fly the A350 na bagong plane ni Pal. Ang tagal ko siyang inintay, like 2 weeks yan. And then now, mag-immigration na muna ako. So I've checked in, I paid for my travel tax na rin, lahat na yan. So naiyawan, syempre alam mo yung Pal naman. And today is December 30. Pagdating ko sa lounge, kwento ko yung other things. Pero I'm going to just do immigration muna and then let's go. Okay guys, so story time tayo. So, I booked this flight nung nalaman ko, di ba may balita na okay, dumating na yung plane and then ang first flight niya will be Manila to Bangkok, Bangkok to Manila, PR 730731. So, ang first flight niya dapat is today, which is December 30. Pero kahapon, change aircraft sila. So, basically, yesterday, December 29, was the first revenue flight ng A350-1000. Anyways, hindi ko na hinabol yon kasi mahirap na mag-book, diba? But ito yung parang last flight ko for this year. Well, talaga last flight kasi today and tomorrow yan, diba? One day lang ako doon. Gusto ko talaga siya makita. Nag-bid ako for business class para lang makita siya. I wanted to do it rin. As in, inabangan ko siya napakatagal. Parang if you remember my Father's Day post for my dad, parang ito yung nasa ending ko na parang I wanted to fly with dad one more time na Pal. Ito yun dapat. Kasi ang tagal ko na itong inabangan na flight. And I'm so excited. Very, very excited actually. Nakain ako. And tingnan mo, dahil Christmas, lahat ng mabuhay lounge nila na food is like puto bongbong, may sapin-sapin. Kahapon sa domestic may bibingka, sa Cebu. Diba? Ang cute. Gusto ko yung ganito talaga. Very Filipino talaga. Anyways, kakain na muna ako ng konti kasi parang I couldn't resist these. And later, I'll see you sa flight. I'll give you the whole review. Oh my gosh, guys. Ayan na siya. Okay, this is it. I'm so excited. Ito na siya! Are you ready? Oh my God, so happy. So excited. 2 weeks in the making to, guys. Hello. Oh my God, ito na siya. I'm so happy. 9A. Oh my gosh, it's the typical red and green. Okay guys, so my seat is 9A. I got this one, is a window. Okay, so I got the window seat. Ito yung seat natin. Okay, let's do all the seat tour na now, guys. So basically, lahat ng kailangan mo. So you have your 4K TV here. Very similar siya to your Philippine Airline na TV, basically. Yung buong screen mo. Ganun pa rin naman siya. Then you have your table here. So ang table mo, screen palabas. Very similar to, if I'm not mistaken, Aria mo. Kasing Collin Aerospace ang gumawa ng seats mo. Then you have your seats here. Dito mo lalagay paa mo. You can put your bag here and under. Walang problema. Then you also have a storage here. Nandito yung other storage mo. For example, you can open your console here. And meron siyang USB-C and USB-A headphones. And then your remote is here. So remote mo is the touchscreen 1. Very similar siya to your A350, if I'm not mistaken. Wireless charging is here as well. And then may isa ka pang console here with your mirror here. Headphones mo nandito. And then, syempre, ang cute ng lamp mo kasi very Filipino-inspired pa rin siya. And then, your mabuhay na magazine. And then, you have your light and lamp here. Beside your console here, nandito yung iyong universal outlet. So, yan siya. So, your seats are here. You have your pillow. And then, you have your blanket. Philippine Airlines blanket. And of course, nandito rin yung sliding door. So, you can definitely slide your door closed. So, very similar to your Aria Suites siya. And then, clothes hanger mo nandito rin as well. And don't forget guys, nandito yung parang seat map or seat controls mo as well. So your mga lumbar support mo, lahat yan pwede. All of your controls are really here. So for your footrest, and then yung seat mo if you want to recline or not. And then syempre, if you're going to take off landing, kailangan lahat pipindutin mo to make it to go to the original. In fairness, mas maganda tong controls niya here. For this flight, ito ang menu natin dito. Hot meal natin is gambas. You have dinner rolls, beef kofta, afritada, roast chicken, coconut pudding, and ice cream. So, Carmen's best yan for sure. Then you have your champagne, white wine, red wines. You have your beer, cocktails, liqueurs as well. And then, all of your different juices rin nandyan. This one, if you're gonna notice, yung seat mo is very much similar to your Aria Suites. Diagonal yung paa natin. It's not like your old na 777 ng PAL, which is like facing front, katapos lahat kayo. If you want that, yun yung mga nasa older plane. But this one is more private. So parang mas maganda siya because it's so private. You're secured, you're in your own little nook. You have your privacy of this door. Ito yung mga parang importante. And I'm so happy na ito talaga yung dineliver. Kasi diba dati, we've been seeing photos na walang door. Pero now, you know that may door siya. I'm so happy. So yun, natutuwa ako. Seats are comfy. Pillow is nice. Very premium siya. I'm pretty much sure na ito yung gagamitin na nila for your US flights. So if you're going to the New York, diba, yung mga JFK nilang route, maganda siya. Very private ka. If you wanna sleep, matulog ka. Tapos I love the lights nila. It's very Filipino theme. Parang Pasko, o diba? O green at saka red. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos blue yung gitna mo, which is your Philippine Airline colors pa rin. So ang ganda lang. Guys, one thing to note rin na lahat ng luggage space, if you remember or if you see, lahat siya on one side. Pero enough naman siya for everyone. If you want like a high ceiling, diba? Like all the A350s, like Singapore Airlines, ganyan. Wide yung taas mo. Parang ang airy compared to pag nandito ka, medyo mas mababa yung ceiling mo. Kasi nga, nandyan yung pang luggage, diba? Now, of course, let's do the in-flight entertainment system mo. So, nandito lahat ng mga ibang mga TVs mo, like your movies as well. Then you have your Bluetooth, so you can connect your devices. So, for example, yung headphones mo, pwede. Your guide, your travel map, nandito siya as well. So you can see your flight path. You have your aircraft, whatever views you want, nandyan siya. Wala lang siyang camera, yun lang. But oh my God, look, ganda. Okay, light. Then you have your second screen. So if you want to connect your screen here, pwede. Just connect it via online. If you want to sleep or you want them to wake you up for a meal, you can let them know. And of course, there are different settings here as well. You can turn your TV or your in-flight entertainment on and off as well. Okay, so here are all your different movies. Marami ka rin mga different movies here. Ang touch responsive ng screen mo, so ang ganda. Very similar siya doon sa other flight ng PAL. So I think bago yung safety video nila today. So hopefully, let's see, tingnan natin yung remote mo. So if ever you use the cursor, magiging mouse siya. O diba? Pak, ang ganda diba? O, and then turn off and on the TV, pwede rin. Is last but not the least, yung mga console mo dito, kasya isang bottled water dito. Ang ganda nitong idea na to, para lang at least hindi yumuyugyug yung water bottle. Usually kasi, di ba, bumabagsak yung mga water bottle mo. So I love this compartment. Ganda nito, ang smart. So yes, pwede mo to ibaba at taas. Medyo matigas lang. Diba? Some other little details mo. Ang cute, no? Taray! As always, warm towel ka sa PAL. And as we prepare, ang seatbelt mo will be the 3-pronged. I always call it a 3-prong. Basta yung may belt. Shoulder strap. Yung parang Miss You ka. So, when you're flying, di ba, ito, take-off landing, kailangan meron to. Pero pwede mo siyang tanggalin if ever you don't want it. Kasi pwede mo tanggalin to. If let's say matutulog ka, di ba, para at least, pero you have to keep buckled pa rin. Para lang just in case mag-turbulence or di ba, yun, hindi ka yumugyug at hindi ka lumipad sa ceiling. Very happy. I feel na nafe-feel nyo naman yung happiness ko. Is it worth the stress? I think yes, for myself. And then, Daddy, ito dapat yung sasakyan natin. But I'm enjoying it with my dad. Wherever my dad will be. Or might be. So, I'm enjoying with him pa rin. Yun.
Buong puso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa BR 730 patungong Bangkok. Philippine Airlines welcomes you on board BR 730 bound for Bangkok.
Mabuhay and welcome to Philippine Airlines.
We care about your safety, so please sit back and relax as we explain the safety features of this aircraft.
Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode and please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. Fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight, especially during takeoff and landing.
The heart of the Filipino.
First ever A350 1000. Ang tahimik niya. Grabe, ang quiet. Yes guys, may free wifi on board. Ta-da! See? Connect. Viasat yung provider nila dito guys. Ta-da! Email. Naka-blur lang yung email ko guys. And then that's it. Meron ka agad wifi. Ang bongga. Wow! Bilis! Connected ka agad. Ang ganda. If you're gonna do a quick speed test, there you go. Yan yung wifi speed niya. So guys, parang nakalimutan kong magdala ng cables, but I remember I have a superpower. Meron to sa Lazada. Cable, yung cable ginagamit ko ngayon mag-charge na. USB-C siya, tapos may USB, micro USB siya, tapos meron pa siya yung lightning. Tapos meron pa siya dito adapter na pwede maging USB-A and then SIM ejector pang SD cards. And sa likod niya, it is actually also a phone stand. Taran! Diba? Meron din ako na ganito na generic. Ito kasi bigay ni Union Bank yan. Ang ganda, diba? So now, naka-charge yung phone ko. Taran! Diba? So merong USB dyan. Tapos yung outlet naman nandyan din, if ever. Okay, so this is the restroom here. Malaki yung sink mo, automatic. You have your typical lotion, cups, censored na po siya. And then, ito yung water closet mo. Bassinet. Seat cover, typical, very pal. And then your huge mirror. Guys, ito yung lay flat mo na bed. Ito yung itsura niya. Let's try the lay flat. Ever, kailangan mo yung blanket mo. Seat belts. Okay, this is your lay flat position. Hindi naiipit naman yung paa ko, guys. So, walang problema. You have your nook here. Peaceful ka dito. And then, very quiet talaga yung plane. Ganda. I love. Ang ganda. And then, I'll show you in front. So, yung paa. If you're going to see your feet go in, that's how it goes. And guys, ito na yung door. Pak! Gusto natin yung pinto. Kababawan ko. Ito na yung pinto. Ang ganda! Mga kababawan ko in life. But yes, that's the privacy shield mo, diba? So hindi mo nakikita yung katabi mo kung nakaupo ka. Diba? I love the yogurt sauce. Sarap. And of course, we got the beef kofta. Looks really good, guys. Ito na, guys. Ice cream time with coffee. Carmen's Best. Alam mo, pagpal. Love that they choose Carmen's Best. Filipino. And I got iced Americano. Perfect. So guys, that's it for the flight. We're almost going to land. Final descent na. A final approach, I mean. And then, masaya ako. Like, the whole overall crew, the seats is nice. The food was great, as always. Alam mo yung panlasang Pilipino talaga siya. So, I can see this, like, flying with this for, like, 15 hours, going to New York, 16 hours. I love the privacy door, diba? Like, something that I really like. Talagang pinaglaruan ko yan. I'm very happy. I'm very thankful rin na nalo tayo sa bid for this. So, I booked a round-trip economy flight. So, that was around $600. And then, nagbid ako for upgrade since mura yung papunta kong flight, which is economy super saver or saver siya. That's why yung minimum bid dito was like around 12,000. So, binid ko right 13 if I'm not mistaken. Pauwi naman, nagbid ulit ako, which is 6,000 yung binid ko, which is like a bit 200 pesos higher than the minimum bid. Pero kasi mas mahal yung flight ko na na yon. Kasi economy flex naman yon. But if ever you wanna book with miles, one way business class for Philippine Airlines flight is at 22,000 miles. So meron tayong mga miles cheat sheet naman dito that you can use. I can also show you a reference kung pwede kayo mag-book with miles. That's it. That's something that you can explore. But I know na itong airplane na to or aircraft, they will be using it for their New York flight. So baka tipid-tipid tayo ng miles, fly to New York, mas sulit kung mas mahaba naman talaga. I agree. But I'm very happy that I was able to do it. Maraming salamat. This will be one of my second to the last flight ko for this year. Kasi bukas na kaagad lilipad ako pa uwi rin ng Manila. But that's the whole flight experience. Masaya, nakakatuwa. And this is our first A350-1000 in Southeast Asia. It's the first rin na A350-1000 in the Philippines. And it is first in Southeast Asia by the first Asian carrier, which is Philippine Airlines. Kaya nakaka-proud rin, diba? As always, diba, tatangkilikin natin yung sarili natin pa rin, which is PAL. Yun lang, nakakatuwa. So, yun yung lahat, everything. And I might see you in Bangkok.